Hello friends, welcome back the GS Sutra. Friends, in this video we are discuss about the Indian GK in English. In this video we are discussing the geography part of India. Now get start. Starting with the first question. So now our first question is started. Ahmedabad, Gujarat is associated with the which industry? Is the correct answer is cotton textiles. Which states are leading producer of wheat? The correct answer is UP, Punjab and Madhya Pradesh. Now getting the third question. Ajanta caves are situated in Maharashtra. Question number 4. We have discussed in which Indian state coal is found. Coal is found West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Which was the first Indian satellite? Aryabhat is the first Indian satellite. What is the capital of Andaman Nicobar Islands? The correct answer is Port Blair. Which tropic passes through middle of India? Tropic of Cancer passes through middle of India. Is the correct answer Tropic of Cancer. Which four major cities are connected by Golden Quadrilateral? The correct answer is Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai are connected by Golden Quadrilateral. Nagarjun Sagar multi-purpose project is located at River Krishna in Telangana. Is the correct answer. Bandipur National Park is situated in. Is the correct answer is Mysore, Karnataka. Next question is Agra is associated with the which industry? Is the correct answer is leather or marble. Is the major industry in Agra. Which states are leading producer of rice? West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer of rice. Akbar's tomb is situated in Agra, UP. Now the place is Sikandra in Agra. In which Indian state copper is found? Answer is MP, Jharkhand, Rajasthan and Karnataka. Next question is Aryabhat was launched on 19th April 1975. Aryabhat was launched on. What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe this channel and comment also in this video. We are going with the next question. What is the total area of an Indian subcontinent? Is correct answer 44.9 lakh square kilometer. Is the correct total area of Indian subcontinent. The north-south corridor connects Srinagar to Kanyakumari. Is the correct answer. Total distance is 3214 km. What is the purpose of Nagarjun Sagar multi-purpose project? Irrigation hydroelectricity is the major purpose of Nagarjun Sagar multi-purpose project. Which species are found in Bandipur National Park? Is the correct answer is elephant, tiger, bear, sambar, panther. Baku is situated with which industry? Baku is famous for petroleum industry in Russia. Which states are leading producer of gram? MP and Tamil Nadu is the major producer of gram. Amarnath caves are situated in. Is the correct answer is Kashmir. In which Indian state gold is found? Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. In next question, Aryabhat was launched from Russian rocket launching station Cosmodrome, Soviet Union. What is the size of India? 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer. The east-west corridor connects Silchar to Porbandar. Pochampad project is located at River Godavari in Telangana. Bolpakram Sanctuary is situated on Garo Hills in Meghalaya. Bangalore, Karnataka is associated with which industry? Is the correct answer aircraft and telephones. Which states are leading producer of barley? Maharashtra, UP and Rajasthan. Amber Palace is situated in Jaipur, Rajasthan. In which Indian state iron is found? Is the correct answer is Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand. Which rocket was used to launch Aryabhatta? Intercosmos rocket was used to launch Aryabhatta. What is the capital of Telangana state? Is the correct answer is Hyderabad. Indian standard IST is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Is the correct answer 5 hours 30 minutes is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. What is the total length of Golden Quadrilateral? Is the correct answer is 5,846 km. What is the purpose of Pochampad project? Is the correct answer is irrigation. Which species are found in Balpakram Sanctuary? Is the correct answer is tiger, elephant and bison. Bhilai, Chhattisgarh is associated with which industry? Is the correct answer is steel plant. Which states are leading producer of bajra? Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan are leading producer of bajra. Anand Bhavan is situated in? Is the correct answer is Allahabad in UP. Now Allahabad's name was changed. Is the Prayagraj. The name is Prayagraj. Anand Bhavan is situated in Prayagraj. In which Indian states bauxite is found? Now the answer Odisha, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. What was the purpose of Aryabhat? The purpose of Aryabhat is the scientific purpose of Aryabhat. What is the capital of Assam state? The Assam state's capital is Dispur. What is the meridian of IST? 82.5 degree east. National Highway 1 connects Delhi, Ambala, Amritsar. The distance of total distance is 546 km. Lower Saleru project is located at River Saleru, Andhra Pradesh. Chandraprabha Sanctuary is situated in Varanasi, UP. Bangkok, Thailand is associated with which industry? Shipbuilding, teak and for wood. Which states are leading producer of sugarcane? UP and Maharashtra are leading producer of sugarcane. Bakra Dam is situated in Punjab. In which Indian states mica is found? Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. Bhaskar was lost on 7th June 1979. What is the capital of Bihar states? The answer is Patna. How many states are there in India? 28 states and 8 UT in current in India. National Highway 2 connects Delhi, Agra, Kanpur, Varanasi, Kolkata. 1490 kilometer. What is the purpose of Lower Sileru project? Correct answer, hydroelectricity. Which species are found in Chandraprabha Sanctuary? Asiatic lion, tiger, panther, Indian gazelle, sloth bear. There is the important questions for all one day exams. I hope you love this video. If you love this video, you can subscribe and press bell icon also.